Hey everyone, want to run Android apps on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to easily download and install BlueStacks, the best Android emulator out there. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type BlueStacks in the search bar. From the search results, click on the first link, which will take you to the official BlueStacks website. On the landing page, you'll see a blue download button labeled Download BlueStacks. Click on it, as shown in the video. Choose your preferred folder and save the installation file. Once the file is downloaded, open it and click on Run to start the installation process. Click the Install button and agree to the terms. BlueStacks will now start downloading the necessary files. It might take a little time, so be patient. After the files are installed, launch BlueStacks. It will take a few moments to load everything, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed BlueStacks on your PC. Now you can enjoy all your favorite Android apps and games right from your computer. BlueStacks is an amazing tool for running Android apps on your PC seamlessly.